Guys, bit of a free morning here in Port Vila for me and the family, so we've come op shopping and having a look at some of the shops around to see what kind of stuff we can take back for some of the family and friends back home. And then later on in this afternoon we're going to hang out with all of the girls from the bride and the groom's families. Apparently it's part of their tradition to have coffee and ice creams a couple of days out before the wedding. In the meanwhile, there's an op shop across the road. We're gonna go and check out what kind of bits and pieces I can dig up there. Well done. Number one cafe. So I've just come down to the waterfront here to get a couple of time lapses and check out the port. Last time I was here was last year. They've developed a lot of this boardwalk area. I'll give you a little look over here. They're building like a new marketplace with traditional roofing and stuff like that. Check this out. So over there you can see some of the complexes that they're looking at building, which is pretty cool, good for the tourism. Iririki Island, some of the boats that come from the ferries which are way over there. So a lot of the Australians have just come through now, and a lot of these guys are tourist type guides and whatnot, so they're trying to get some work as well. But this is the wharf. All this area over here as well is all new, goes right around the other side. Oh, for awesome. So we got some more supplies, from the market. Got to stock up, Yep, we got lots of ice cream. Oh my gosh, aren't you spoilt? Yes, I am. We're now at a cove called Vale on Efate Island, Vanuatu. We're just taking a little ride around the Port Vila area. It's a little bit windy, but we're going to chuck the drone up and try and get some good shots of Vale. The cake shop. Old school games, but not working. Check out these cakes. Yum yum yum. Who wants some?
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
So we're heading back to the village, and apparently all the ladies are going to go into town to have an ice cream and a coffee. It's part of their tradition that all the ladies head into the town to do that before the wedding. So they're going to do that very, very soon. and me and the groom are going to tag along. So they've made some more dresses for the bride's family. Check out that dress. That's pretty cool. It's for little niecey, and there's a few others over here. So this is my shirt that they've made for me. Oh, for awesome. This is the Vanuatu colours and design. Mum in her dress, the groom in his shirt, the bride in her dress, the bridesmaid in her little dress, and me in my shirt. Check it out, guys. This is some of the umu that the family have laid down here for guests that arrive like a couple of days before the actual wedding. Making me feel hungry now. Similar to a hangi, but they cook it on top of the ground instead of in the ground. Check this out. The guys are cooking some chicken. What's inside there? Chicken, carrot,
manioc,
tapioca,
yeah, onion, and we're gonna have some vegetables later on.
Awesome.
I found this,
and what's the wood down here that you use to, just local wood?
just local wood, yeah. Rice still cooked.
Look at that, the rice is still cooking.
Yeah.
Look how huge these pots are, big pots. Oh, so mutton, pork?
Yeah, pork. This cold water for tea.
Oh, and tea inside, tea, coffee inside here. So these are basically for visitors and guests that come before the wedding. They get fed, looked after, similar back in New Zealand to the marae styles. So all the family chip in and to get the food and do the hunting and the gathering and the harvesting.
All the families contribute to make this marriage successful.
That's what it's about, family, come together.
Come together. It's all about community, you know?
Community, yeah.
Come together and all sorts of items, rice, pork, everything, chicken.
So now we're off to town to have some, what are we off to town for?
Ice cream.
Some ice cream with the family and maybe a coffee. Is this a traditional part of the wedding?
Yep.
That you have to have the ice cream and
ice
coffee?
cream and lollies and just walking around, and then
Really?
we're coming back about 5:30. All the buses picking us up again, coming back.
Sounds cool. Now we all have to have some kind of talcum powder on, like here, and like all the ladies over here, and over there. I think it's part of the tradition. So we're just hanging out in town, having some ice cream, part of the tradition. And then we're going to head back and have some umu. So we're all heading back now to go and have some umu, which will be awesome. Can't wait to try some. So now we're taking the food out of the umu. The food right there. Got some banana for dinner and a few other bits and pieces. Everyone's having dinner. Yummy. So more families have come to drop off gifts and food for the bride and groom families. It's been happening all day today. There you go guys, awesome day today, hanging out with the future in-laws, having some ice creams and also the Umu tonight, and for checking out Vale Vale and doing all the drone shots with the Nisi. Look pretty awesome out there. Anyway guys, tomorrow we are full on with a dress rehearsal in the morning, and then in the afternoon we are heading back into Port Vila town to get our manicures done. Me and the groom gonna get a haircut done. I've already started with the shave and all that kind of thing, so looking forward to that and showing you guys how that goes down. Also tomorrow night we are having a bit of a formal dinner with the groom's family, so I'll vlog that for you guys as well, and then we're into the wedding 2 days away. So keep tuned in guys, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We'll see you guys on the next video. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life guys.